Hello there, this is Gina Flores and this is video of ours. Today we are going to prepare pork chop with mango caramelized with glaze on top. So let's try to get ready and stay with me in the kitchen. Enjoy this video. Let's go. Here we go. First and foremost, we are going to caramelize this mango, ripe mango that is freshly picked from my tree. So here we go. You just cut it into little pieces the way you want it. And then after that, you just pour some coconut milk. So here's that coconut milk. In the coconut milk will do, but I use the canned coconut milk because instant. We don't really have chance. I'm here in the US. We don't have time to cook the lubi. We don't have Neo Gear. We do, but it's very rare to find one. So here we go. Just put that brown sugar on top. I just really kind of have no measurement on it. I'll just pour it as I go with my taste, so you can really control your sugar and your coconut milk in it. So you just have to caramelize it there separately while our pork is being marinated with salt and pepper and some paprika in the side. So there you go. Try not to stir it so much. And yes, I did some salt on it just to not so sweet, balance out the taste with a little bit with salt and sugary taste. Okay, there we go. And now we are going to prepare our pork chops. So here I have thick pork chop, 4 pieces, just as I said. Just put paprika, salt and pepper, and then a little bit of this oil on it, olive oil, coconut oil. It doesn't matter what oil. You can even use butter if you want to, but this is just to golden brown that pork chop. So a little bit of oil, you don't have to have a lot of it, just to golden brown it. We're not gonna cook it like that. So keep watching, guys. So there you go. After it's golden brown, and my secret recipe, I am going to simmer it with this broth. You can use vegetable broth, chicken broth, beef broth, whatever flavor that you may like. Because I like my pork chop to be really cooked, soft and tender. So here we go. We are just going to cook it that way. And this is how it comes out. Glazy looking one. So here you go. I like to cut it in little pieces. So you can do it whole pork chop, or you can cut it into pieces. So I cut it into pieces this time. I'm plating it, and then I am going to use this mango for more. There you go. I'm plating it with rice. Of course, we like rice. This is my husband's dinner actually that I'm preparing. Rice with our pork chop that is being cut into pieces. And then we are going to, after we put all that, my husband likes meat. So yeah, overloaded with meat. There you go. Our caramelized glazed mango is ready to taste good. Believe me, it tastes great. See the mouth-watering glazed mango on top of our pork chop. Just like that. Think about the pork chop is salt. How uh, with a little bit salt, paprika, and ground pepper on it. With that's the taste. With that glazed mango on top, right? It's not. I didn't put any vinegar or anything like that. So just think about the taste on that. So I would really want you to try this recipe. It's not hard to make. Very easy, very quick. It's I didn't even put any onion or garlic or anything like that. I just all powdered ground pepper, salt, and not even garlic. So it really tastes good, guys. So please, if you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe or hit that follow me so we can have more recipe to cook. Alright, thank you for watching. And here we go. This is Gina Flores, Lifestyle.